American Waterworks will give you their true diagnosis, and they'll give you their price right off the bat, and they'll come in and take care of it very quickly.
I was amazed and surprised that my radon test came back at 0.7. So it went from 26 to 0.7.
But if we had questions, they answered them. They weren't scared, or they weren't hiding nothing. They do top-notch work and they back up their stuff. Like I said, I'm happy.
All the crews that have come since have been very good to work with. They come at the time they're scheduled, and they work steady, not at a real fast pace because some of the work is intensive, but they're good workers, they're here on time, and they get the job done.
Everybody that came out to my house was great. I mean, neighborly, professional, hardworking. There were no surprises.
You didn't make promises. You came to find out what the problem was and offered solutions, and you stood behind that.
Also just the idea that we're still people and we want our needs to be met, we want things to be beautiful, we want our money to be valued or get what we can pay for it to have value. So I think you're stellar in doing that.
We were impressed and got to know them. We'll definitely be recommending your company.
The service I've had and the way it's functioned has been quite incredible. It's as advertised, which is hard. It's not always the case with things.
In terms of working with people on our house and stuff, this is like the best experience.
For us, the problem was so huge that it was worth the money that we paid American Waterworks to have it done.